Today we're making protein pancakes in a very, very simple way. I already mixed in my Trader Joe's protein pancake mix. Add your own servings to it. I added a hefty serving because I need a lot of protein. Add my protein of choice. I added in 2 scoops of that. I'm getting about 50 grams of protein. I'm just gonna mix my dry ingredients together first, like so. And then we're just gonna mix some water in. And I'll make sure I let you in on my pancake secrets as well. I'm gonna add an egg. An egg's gonna make your pancakes a little bit more fluffy. A little thicker side, chocolate chips before. Some people put it as they're cooking. I'm a before guy because I don't care. Measure out your portions if you want to be mindful of calorie intake. This is a trick taught to me from my friend's mom, Cheryl. You want to let your batter sit out for a couple minutes until air bubbles start to form with your batter. We have the heat mid to low heat. I'm going to do a low to mid heat so it cooks evenly throughout. Fuck. This is going to be a tough one. Really put myself in a corner here. Slide in. Oh no, it's a disaster. Ba-da-ba. There we go. A favor for me. Keep it very simple. You can use a pre-made mix like I did. Just throw in some protein powder. Use an egg, air for about a couple minutes before you cook it. And you have some delicious protein pancakes.